Yeah, let's put that over, yeah. Get it. No, that broke.
See all of them that came out when that one?
Look at those. This one's gone. So many in this.
Get rid of that.
Look at that one right there. Look at that boy. This one's gone.
Why are you like sand here? Crayfish right there on the side.
This is the stream we're in right now. We caught a lot of crayfish. I'm gonna show you in a minute what how many we caught. This stream's massive. These are the crayfish we caught. What the hell is that? Nothing right there. Look at all those crayfish. Oh, you want to take? Oh, guys. We're a disgusting bug. Look at that. Look at that thing. I don't know if that's a bug or something. God, look at that nasty creature. Put that in the shading where you can see them all. Okay, we're releasing the crayfish now.
Wow, look at them all.
Wow, there's so many.
Oh, come on, back into the ocean. I mean, like the river.
Wow,
Another day.
That's the ocean parasite right there.
there's so many. Don't use your camera.
Oh yeah, I shouldn't use my camera. Make it a parasite.
There's so many that one.
Focus
on that big one over there. Focus on one of them as they fall in. The parasite's dead now.
No, it's not dead.
How is the supposed to get resuscitated then? They're not in the water.
We're gonna get a good shot on the camera.
Look at that baby one right there.
Wow. Why are they going back?
Look at the parasite. Let's get it back in the water.
Pick that up in your hand so it pinches you.
Yeah, get it for unshot.
Don't you throw it at anybody.
And that big one's alive.
It is? This one?
No, the one on. No, that one.
This one's alive.
That one's alive too, Mason.
Which one? This one, yep, this one's alive. Is it alive?
Help the one that's stuck there, Mason.
Wait, this one?
It doesn't have the energy to fight. That one right there can barely move. Put it in the water. Alright, the rest of them we're just going to push off the top of the rock.
Okay, I want to keep this parasite.
No, leave it alone.
Why? I like centipedes don't have more legs than that. Mom, I don't even like a centipede. Mom, there's no way that's a centipede. I'm just saying. Can you throw the centipede?
How did we catch it? Where did we get it from? Where did we get it? Watch out. Where did we get it though?
No, we're keeping the parasite.
Oh, I don't go there.